Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab Active5 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device a little bit. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the apps. So here we've got the list of all apps which are currently installed on your device, and what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of those apps, especially those which are using frequently, and remove cache. So for example, let me maybe go to the gallery. After tapping on the specific app, let's scroll and go to the storage. So here in this usage section we've got the storage, and as you can see we've got this cache option. Basically, cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the device, so you can freely remove them. So let's simply tap on clear cache, and your device will immediately remove cache, thanks to which you will release some memory. And that's why I highly recommend to go through all of those apps, because you can save a lot of space. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.